Hello and welcome to RAG. This is yet another video on this 2021 Audi RS5 Sport Pack. In today's video, we're going to go over resonator deletes, more specifically the two front resonators. So everything I say in this video will apply to both the pre-facelift and the facelift generation that you see here. And so we're going to talk about exactly what a resonator delete means for one of these cars, and we're going to have some exhaust clips as well. All right, let's get into it. All right, now let's talk about what a resonator delete really means for the B9 generation Audi RS5s. So firstly, all exhaust systems basically have two goals in mind, and that's to comply with sound regulations and emissions regulations. And so every exhaust system really starts with the catalytic converters that you see here. There's two of them here since there's two turbos in the RS5 V6, the 2.9 liter. And it goes down here to some downpipes. They kind of just sit right in this spot here at the bottom of the car. And then between this and the muffler, there are three resonators. These three resonators aim to quiet the car as much as possible, so they don't really have anything to do with emissions. But the problem with that is, on the stock RS5, these things are very quiet. This happens with a lot of other high-performance German luxury cars, and so the solution to that, for somebody like me who doesn't want to spend $5K on an exhaust system, is to get the two front resonators deleted. So you're actually deleting two and keeping the third one, because apparently the third one doesn't really do anything. But then you keep the rear mufflers, because the rear mufflers have valves inside of them. A valve is just a fancy word for something that opens and closes. And so inside here, you can see that there's two chambers. And so the valves are open right now. But with that left chamber closed, the car gets extremely quiet. So performing this resonator delete on the B9 RS5s doesn't hurt daily comfort and drivability. It is still extremely quiet on the highway. You will not hear this car's engine until you want to. All right, so how do you get a resonator delete? So you can just go to an exhaust shop and they will lop off the two front resonators for you. Just tell them they're not catalytic converters, they are resonators. Or you can go on the internet and buy a Bull X resonator delete kit for one of these cars. Those are basically just pipes that you weld off the stuff you have on already, and then you replace the pipes you have with the resonator delete kit. And again, those are just straight pipes that you just kind of fit and replace. You can also have those installed at an exhaust shop if you're not keen to do it yourself.